So students, now let us discuss about the one of the property of integers, that is commutative property, which says that let us take the two integer and multiply them in the two different ways. What are the two different ways? That is, if I take the two integers as minus 4 and 5, and we know that one is a negative integer, another is a positive integer, or in other words, we can say that since it's a negative integer, therefore it is a smaller, and the number 5 is a bigger. And you multiply in whatever order, that is a negative number multiplied by a positive number, or a positive number multiplied by a negative number, the results comes out to be same. In both the case, the product comes out to be the same. Now let us take another example, minus 15 multiplied by minus 2. As we know that minus 15 is a smaller number as compared to minus 2. So a smaller number multiplied by a bigger number, the result is coming out to be 30. And in this case, a smaller, that is a bigger number multiplied by a smaller number, again the results comes out to be 30. So again the results is same. So we can see that the product of two integers remains same on interchanging their order. Order in terms of bigger or smaller, we can take it. So we conclude that the multiplication is commutative for integers. Now let us take the division case. A minus 18 divided by 3, the results comes out to be minus 6. But if you divide 3 divided by minus 18, which is not an integer, that means it comes out to be in terms of fraction. That is 3 upon minus 18, which on cancelling comes out to be minus 1 by 6, which is a rational number which you are going to study in 8th standard. So we observe that the quotient of division of the two integer does not remain same on interchanging the order. So division is not commutative for integers. So we can, what you have to write it in the copy, you have to write down this heading, commutative property. Then you have to write it down, integers are commutative under multiplication but not under division. This thing you need to write it in your classwork copy. Now we come to the next heading, associative property. So in your classwork copy you have to write down this thing, associative property. Now what's the difference between commutative and associative? Let us take first here the difference. You can see here they are taking three integers. In the commutative property they have taken only two different integers. Here they have taken three different integers, 8, 12 and minus 4, and they will find the product either by multiplying 8 into 12 first and then multiplying it by minus 4. So whatever the first or second priority if you want to give it, then you have to place the bracket, because then we are following the BODMAS rule, and then the BODMAS rule the bracket is given the prior importance. So 8 multiplied by 12 multiplied by minus 4, and that means 8 into 12 will be multiplied first, which comes out to be 96, and 96 multiplied by minus 4 comes out to be minus 384.